Alright guys, so we're going to do an unboxing of every single Nintendo 2025 Switch 2 game. So all the games published by Nintendo. What's great about these is all of them are actually on the cards. There's no download codes, no key cards. The bad thing though is some of them cost $80. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I'll give my brief thoughts on them. Tell me in the comments which games I'm wrong about. Alright, so let's just start with Zelda Breath of the Wild. One of my favorite games of all time and runs much better on Switch 2. Unfortunately though, no manual. Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, also one of my all-time favorites and runs a lot better on the Switch 2. For these two Zelda games, you get them free if you're subscribed to Nintendo Switch Online. The expansion pack. It's got 4K 60 FPS support. Yeah, Mario Kart World, this one I was pretty disappointed by. So it's $80 and I much preferred 8 Deluxe. For me this should be like a $60 game tops. Boring Overworld. Donkey Kong Bonanza, now this one I'm a big fan of. For me it's the best game on the system besides Zelda. So these are all in order of release date. Okay, Super Mario Party, this is a very fun game. So for all the Switch 2 editions, they have all this disclaimer and QR code at the bottom. Once again, I don't think this one's worth $80 though. For most of these, unfortunately, they did not come with any manuals. Kirby, this is a great game. So the editions are decent. Once again, it's expensive, but it's pretty fun if you haven't played it. So for these last few, I've not played them enough to give my full thoughts on them. For Pokemon, they at least give you some manuals. We used to get like very long booklets for this, but now this is the best we get. Hyrule Warriors, once again, fun game. Pretty bad box though. So no back art cover and a very boring game card. Kirby Air Rider, so I played the original of this on GameCube back in the early 2000s. So with this one we do have a Switch Online promo. Metroid Prime 4, so I was a big fan of the original back on GameCube. So far for this one I've not played it long enough, but kind of disappointed with the reviews. So I mean the bike sections look pretty boring, but it still should be a fun game. The only games not here are Drive X Drive and Welcome Tour, because those are digital only. Pretty bad games though. My favorites would probably be the Zeldas and Donkey Kong. So overall I think it's a solid first year, but not the best. So if you've played most of these games before, I would give this year, well actually it's really like half a year, because it's been 6 months. So for the first half year I would give them a B-. I would give it an A though if you have not played the Switch 1 versions. Okay guys, thanks for watching.